Okay, so here's a quick rundown of what I fixed and what I added. So this is the Circuit Bent Wiggles guitar that I've been working on for the past 2 days or something. So really, mostly just yesterday. So I have added this button, which basically bypasses this switch, and it uses the secondary or reverse wiper of this. This is a pitch control. Basically, the potentiometer changes the pitch, which is going to slow down the timing and everything, the way that the pitch change works on this kind of circuitry. So this basically turns on that knob, and this is a temporary. So when you hold it down, but the difference is there's two wipers and they go in opposite directions. Basically, this is the faster speed when this is on and the slower speed when you're using that, and vice versa. That's the slower speed when that is on and the faster speed when using that. But if you have this on and you use this knob, you can only change from the faster speed to the slower speed. It doesn't turn from the slower speed to the faster speed. So that is that section. So that was added. Over here, this was a broken switch. I basically added a switch similar to this one. It was a different type of switch and the toggle broke off. This bypasses that for a temporary. And what this basically does is a feedback loop. I was been trying to figure out exactly how to describe it, but this feeds the signal from the IC chip back into a different part of the circuitry and creates chaos. So this is chaos and this is pitch, and that's the best way to explain it. So here's a quick, I also took this and moved it, since this, adding that, these two were touching, so I moved this over. So here's a so now you'll see. You hear how this is slower and that's faster, whereas here that's slower and that's faster. So when you do this, okay, now we add the chaos. And there you have it. That is the new and improved version. I still haven't quite given it a name, but I've been thinking Wiggler Mangler. The Wiggler Mangler. And I was considering changing this to Wiggler and then writing Mangler down there. I was also considering, I'm going to go over this with JP. I'll see if he's cool with it. Just basically make a little spray paint area here and sign it and the creation date and the modification date, and put those on there and just leave it as is with all the funky color. It would be kind of neat to spray paint it and just create like weird, paint these things like green aliens and whatever, but that's a lot of work, and I don't think anyone really gives that much of a shit about this. If I was to make multiples of these, I would definitely customize the looks of them. But this is the first, the OG, and it shows where it comes from. By the way, I never mentioned before, this is a 1/4" jack. I didn't mention this in any of the other videos. This is a 1/4" jack, and I could basically take this and plug it into any recording. So I could take a 1/4" jack out and plug it into my little recording interface right there. And yeah, so it has a speaker and output jack. So that's everything.